Hi, I am Anna. I am telling you in this video, we're going to talk about the sciatica pain can be quite uncomfortable, but there are several ways to find relief. Here are a few suggestions. So, before I am starting please subscribe my YouTube channel Raza Amaral and please press bell button. So let's starting guys and girls, here are some detail. 1. Apply heat or cold packs. Applying a hot or cold pack to the affected area can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain. Try using a heating pad or an ice pack for about 15 to 20 minutes at a time. 2. Stretching exercises. Gentle stretching exercises can help relieve sciatica pain. Some effective stretches include the knee-to-chest stretch, piriformis stretch, and seated spinal twist. Make sure to consult with a healthcare professional or physical therapist before attempting any new exercises. 3. Over-the-counter pain medication. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen or naproxen, can help reduce inflammation and provide temporary pain relief. However, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and consult with a doctor if you have any underlying health conditions. 4. Physical therapy. A physical therapist can provide targeted exercises and stretches to help relieve sciatica pain. They may also use techniques like ultrasound or electrical stimulation to help reduce inflammation and promote healing. 5. Maintain good posture. Poor posture can aggravate sciatica pain. Make sure to sit and stand with proper alignment, and consider using a supportive chair or cushion if necessary. 6. Avoid prolonged sitting or standing. If possible, try to avoid sitting or standing for long periods, as it can worsen sciatica pain. Take regular breaks to stretch and move around. 7. Use a supportive mattress. Sleeping on a supportive mattress can help alleviate sciatica pain. Consider using a medium firm mattress or adding a mattress topper for extra cushioning. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and personalized treatment plan for your sciatica pain. Thanks for you are watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. I am Anna and take care yourself and also care your surrounding people. Thanks. Once more again, please subscribe my channel Raza Amaral. Thanks, bye. See you again, love you all.